Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Minus 6 whole square multiplied by 5 to the power minus 3 is what? So we have to find the value of minus 6 whole square multiplied by 5 to the power minus 3. So we can write minus 6 as minus 1 multiplied by 6 and leave this 5 to the power minus 3 as it is. Now since we know that x multiplied by y to the power m can be written as x to the power m multiplied by y to the power m, and also one more property of exponent, x to the power minus n can be written as 1 upon x to the power n. So using above two property of exponent, we can write this as minus 1 to the power 2 multiplied by 6 to the power 2. We have used this first property, and using the second property we can write 5 to the power minus 3 as 1 upon 5 to the power 3. Now minus 1 square, minus 1 to the power any even number is always equal to 1. So this will be equal to 1 multiplied by 6 square is 36 multiplied by 1 upon 5 to the power 3. So 5 to the power 3 is 125. So 1 upon 125. So 36 upon 125 is our required answer. Let's see the option. It is option D. Therefore, we can say that the answer is option D.